How to fix Hubspace app not working. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you specific troubleshooting steps for you to be able to bypass this kind of issue on Hubspace. Hubspace is an app smart home platform designed to control Home Depot exclusive products. If you go ahead and pull up the application from here and hit on Let's Get Started, sometimes it will not direct you into the login page. What you want to do first is go into your Play Store or any app store that you use on your mobile device to download apps. And this is where to ensure that the application you're using is going to be the latest version. This is where you can secure that the application you're using is actually the latest version. Simply hit on update and retry and pull up the application once again. If it does not work, then all you have to do is to clear data cache from the application by tapping and holding in it and then go into the eye icon so that you'll be redirected to app info. In here, scroll down to storage and then just simply clear data and clear cache and rerun the application once again. So those are the things that you can do for you to fix Hubspace app not working.